Hi everyone. In this video, we will be discussing everything that you need to know in order to crack the PSC exams. But wait, what exactly are these PSC exams? So, these exams are conducted by the Public Service Commission or the PSC, and if you crack this exam, you will be able to secure a government job as a dental surgeon. So, this job provides you with the benefits of financial stability, access to equipments and facilities, working in a very prestigious organization, and also the satisfaction of doing service to people. Sounds like a great opportunity, right? But who can apply for these jobs? So, any BDS graduate from an institution recognized by the DCI or the Dental Council of India and having a valid registration certificate can apply. So, here the age limit varies from 21 to 40 years with up to 5 years of relaxation for some reserved categories. And how to apply for it? So, the mode of application is online here, which can be accessed through the official website of that respective state. Now, you must be wondering what kind of questions are asked and what is the exam pattern for this. So, in this, the exam pattern is MCQ based and you will get about 150 to 200 questions, which varies from state to state. So, these questions will usually be a combination of dental related MCQs and general knowledge related MCQs. So these usually follow a pattern of previous year's PSC exams or AIMS exam, INI-CET or NEET MDS exam. Now the job opportunity sounds great and obviously it will give a boost to your career if you can crack this exam. But the biggest doubt in your mind must be how to really prepare for these exams, what is the best source for it. So you don't need to worry about all that. You can just sit back and relax because Meritors have already done the job for you by compiling everything that you need for the exam in one place itself. So let me introduce you to the PSC Power Pack by Meritors, which is a one-stop solution for all your needs basically. So it covers various exams like UPPSC, HPPSC, JKPSC, OPSC, and many more. Their expert team has compiled various special task modules for you all, which covers synopsis, video lectures, and mock tests, and which will definitely give you a really high-yield preparation with ease. So, can you imagine such a vast question bank with more than 25,000 MCQs? And they come with various mock tests, and their mock tests have the largest pan India participation. So, you can also evaluate your preparation in a competitive scenario. The best part is no more searching for past PSC papers anywhere because Meritors have already done this job for you. And there's a lot of chance for repeats to come in the exam, and this might be very beneficial for you. And to help you in getting an edge over others, Meritors also provide you with a general knowledge related question bank so that you can balance out your preparation between the dental related MCQs and the GK related MCQs all together in just one place. With all that, you will also get access to an exclusive WhatsApp group where the Meritors team is available for you all the time for any doubt solving, any queries with preparation, or even the selection procedure. Many states will be dropping their exam dates soon. Uttar Pradesh and Odisha have already released their notifications where there is about 174 vacancies for UPPSC and about 197 vacancies for OPSC. And many other states are expected to shortly follow with their notifications. So don't waste any more time and go check out Meritors PSC Power Pack soon. You can access it from the link in the description and do drop a comment if you are planning to prepare for this exam. All the very best.